Hi friends, in the last videos we covered about various alphabet symbols up to K we completed, right? Sir, now the next pattern L, how you can print, sir? Very simple. Can you please tell how you can print L? Sir, this is the style. L itself is, this is the style usually we are taking. Sir, now what is the way? Very simple, sir. Here L means sir, like here observe that carefully. L means so first column, 0th column with all stars, next last column, okay, like a last row, like now it seems to be L. Definitely it is the L, sir. So how you can write the code? It's very easy, nothing will be there, sir. So how you can write the code is, sir, in the first row observe how many star symbols are there? Sir, only one star. Second, so one row here star, only one, same. Sir, here also same, here also same. Sir, fourth same, fifth same. So 0 to 5 rows, sir, these are similar rows, only in the 0th column, okay, star symbol is there. So now if it is the sixth, then different is there, sir. So except the sixth row, for all the remaining rows, only 0th column I have to take star symbol, correct, right? Now have a look once. So for row in range of 7, for call in range of 5, if row is not equal to 6, means except the sixth row, regarding row is not equal to 6 except the sixth row, and call is equal to 0, and call is equal to 0. So except the sixth row means for all the rows, sir, and call is equal to 0, column is equal to 0. Can you please print star symbol, and is equal to space I'm taking. So sir, all rows covered except the last row, remember this one. Now observe, so all rows are covered except the last row. Now sixth row, what is the story, sir? Sir, for the sixth row all star symbols are required. Regarding for sixth row, in every column star symbol must be required. How you can write the code? So elif row is equal to 6. Row is equal to 6. If row is the 6, can you please print star symbol, okay? End is equal to empty, like this I'm taking. Sir, observe very carefully, sir. If a row except last row, please take star symbol only in the 0th column. But for the sixth row, please take the star symbol in every column, because we are not specifying column. Sir, except this, in all remaining, can you please print space? Can you please print space, like I'm taking, sir? That's all. So this is about how you can, sir, print L pattern. It's very easy. I don't think you people are going to get some difficulty to understand, right? Sir, next, so after completing this row, next row should start in the next line. That's why here compulsory we have to take a print, so that next line, next row should start in the next line. Everyone in the position to understand, right? Okay, well, have a look once, sir. Sir, what is the code I have to take? I took already the same diagram, sir. Observe carefully, right? So do you know, if you consider this one, sir, first 0 to 5, 0 to 5, sir, similar rows, right? 0 to 5 all rows are similar, only in the 0th column star symbol is there, except the last row, except the sixth row, in 0th column star symbols are there, right? Okay, now I'm taking if row is not equal to 6, if row is not equal to 6 and the call is equal to 0, now observe, except last row and the call is equal to 0. Can you please print star symbol? Can you please print a star symbol? End is equal to, like I'm taking, sir, N is equal to like I'm trying to take. Sir, now sir, first except the last row all the things completed. Now for the last row, if I can take for the last row, what will be there, sir? Sir, in the last row all star symbols are there, sir. Okay, now let me take this one. Okay, elif row is equal to 6. Elif row is equal to 6. If row is equal to 6, in every column position star symbol I want print star symbol, comma, end is equal to empty, like this I'm taking. Sir, now observe that, sir, all star symbols completed, all star symbols completed, right? Okay, sir, this is all star symbols completed. Now in all remaining positions, can you please print space? Okay, now my target is else sir, print space, end is equal to, like this I'm taking, sir. That's all. So this is just in the remaining, can you please print a space? Next row should start in the next line. That's all, sir. So if I can consider this code, now it is the responsible to print L. Remember this one, sir. So up to these whatever stars are required, so this if condition is the responsible. Now this horizontal row, this if condition is the responsible. Now observe carefully, sir. Let me execute this code. Py tester.py. Now you can say, sir, L symbol right. Okay, so any doubt about how to print L symbol? Sir, clear for all of you? Just practice this, you can easily understand this one, sir. Okay, any doubt?